Hello everyone, this is Kurt Crowley once again with WPHorde, and today we're going to be going over shortcodes. Now you may be looking over on the menu on the left hand side and you may be looking and you're saying, where's keywords at? We changed the name to be something more exact what it is. We're looking at doing shortcodes. Now what is a shortcode? A shortcode is a way that you can enter in the least amount of information for the most amount of effect. Why would that be important inside of WPHorde? Well, let's go ahead and go over to shortcodes and let me show you a little bit about it. So this one is called bio. And what I've done is I basically created my signature. Kurt Crowley is a noted or a renowned or a well-known or an acclaimed or a prominent blog, author, writer, and SaaS software founder, creator of WPHorde. You can find his blog, you can find Kurt's blog. So you can see the spin text that we have here. This allows me to, in order, whenever I'm creating a post, just add in square brackets bio, and it will post this information. It will spin it and then post it to the blogs. And it will also send it to webhooks. So keep that in mind. So this is a great way to add your signature. Now keep this in mind also. If you're doing reposting articles, this is a great way to do an introduction to that article. So you may have some spun content of how you normally or generally introduce content on your blogs. So you could create one called intro and then create your intro content here and then click save. And then it will actually save it. Now you are limited on the number of shortcodes. If you bought the 50 blog deal, then you have 5 shortcodes, just like you get 5 webhooks. If you bought the 100 blog deal per month, then you get 10 shortcodes and 10 webhooks. If you bought the 500 blog deal, then you get 50 shortcodes and 50 webhooks. If you bought the 1,000 blog per month deal, then you get 100 shortcodes and 100 webhooks. And now keep in mind, if you bought the 10, you get one of each. So you get one shortcode and you get one webhook. So let me show you exactly the way this works. I'm just going to come back over to my Google Docs here, and I have a test doc. And I'm just going to grab all the text. I'm going to come over to WPHorde, and I'm going to click on Spun Content. I'm going to paste this in, and I'm going to give it a title, Testing Bio Shortcode. And then right down here at the end, I'm going to get rid of, I'm going to come back to that here in a second. And I'm just going to put in square bracket, bio, close square bracket. That's it. That's going to pull in all the text and then spin it accordingly. I'm going to choose my one blog. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Integromat as well. And then, of course, make sure to send this over to WPHorde.com. Give it a tag, testing shortcodes. I'll just put shortcodes as the tag and the category. And then I'm just going to put this in as draft. So I have my content, I have my title. Now I'm going to grab these 2 links here because I went over this before inside of the webhooks training video, that we actually can spin these links that get sent out to webhooks as well. You can actually see those, call them into your particular automation processes. So we've got the title, we've got the content, we've got bio added at the end. And if we remember, the bio just talks about me. So we're just going to scroll up. You could see everything as it is. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click on Start. And it's going to post to those webhooks. I'm going to view the report. Click here. Testing bio shortcode, exactly what we were doing. And then if we scroll down, Kurt Crowley is a well-known blog writer and SaaS software founder of WPHorde. Kurt's blog is available here, and WPHorde can be found here. So you can see exactly how this can be beneficial to you, signing all of your blog posts. You can even sign the ones that you guest post on. That's a very powerful thing. Keep that in mind. So intros. Intros would be a huge thing. What you're trying to do is to make the posts as unique to you as possible. So you would spin your intros, you would spin an outro, you would add a bio, and then you would paste in the content between the intro and the outro. This will help make the content more unique per post. You can do nested spin text in there as well. This is just some great ideas for you to utilize WPHorde with. So these are shortcodes. And one of the other shortcodes that I want you to keep in mind, I'm going to come back over to spun content again. I'm going to paste in, I'm going to choose the blogs that we're going to and the webhook. And then of course, paste in that, get rid of this text. Grab the text from here, paste in the content like we normally do. And I'm going to put testing bio again. And this time we're going to add bio. And then remember, we also have these variables, blog underscore name and blog underscore URL. Whatever blog that you're posting to, whatever name that we have inside of WPHorde, we're going to post that here. And whatever URL we see it as, we're going to post that here. So this is another way that you can make sure that the content going to your blogs are unique. Now, FYI, this information will not be passed over to webhooks. It will not look very good, so keep that in mind. The variables will not look good on a webhook. But yes, we can do this. I'm just going to go ahead and do this again. So I'm just going to put testing bio and then testing bio again, just to switch it up, and I'm going to make sure it's a draft and click on start. And then it's posting to the webhooks now, done. Come over here, let's go look at the posts again. Testing bio again, let's preview it. There's the content, there is the signature, there is the name of the blog, and the URL of the blog. So those variables all work with posting, so keep that in mind. We are going to be adding other features, and we're going to be doing videos as they come along. So this is Kurt, once again, for WPHorde. And if you need anything, please do not hesitate to reach out. We have a Facebook group. Please join that Facebook group. We'll be more than happy to answer the questions there. Thank you. Have a great day.